How to improve face quality in Remini. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're using Remini and want to make a face in a blurry or a low quality photo look clearer, then here's how you do it. Firstly, open up the Remini application on your device and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're in, go ahead and select a photo from your camera roll that you want to enhance the face or improve the face quality in. I'm just gonna open up this photo over here. This does not have a bad quality, but I'm just gonna show it how you can easily improve the quality in an instance. Now click on Enhance, wait for the enhancement to process. Don't quit the app yet, just wait for it, and then after the enhancement is finished, you can just drag this little slider. This is the before image, and if I drag it towards the left, you will see that the quality has improved so much. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the little download icon. Click on Save to save the newly enhanced or improved face quality image from Remini. So that is how it's done. You can see that the quality of the photo has improved a lot. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.